A pool sand filter is used to keep the pool water clean and free from debris. It is operated using a multi-port valve, which allows for the selection of different functions according to the need. Let us know about these functions. Filter. When the valve is set to filter, pool water passes through a pump and enters the filter tank from the top. As the water passes through the sand, the particles get trapped and the water is filtered. The filtered water is then returned back to the pool. Backwash. Over time, the sand in the filter bed becomes clogged with trapped debris, which reduces its efficiency. The direction of water flow is reversed through the filter to remove the debris. Rinse cycle. During this phase, clean water is passed through the filter in the normal filtration direction to flush out any remaining debris or sand particles dislodged during backwashing. Waste. The waste setting on a multi-port valve is used to bypass the filter media and directly discharge water out of the system. Recirculate. This function is used to bypass the filter media, allowing the water to be recirculated when you want to distribute chemicals evenly throughout the pool. Closed. The close function is often used for short periods, such as during cleaning, media replacement, equipment inspections. Winter. The winter function is specifically designed to prepare the pool and filtration system for periods of prolonged inactivity. The water is removed from the system to minimize the risk of freezing. Thank you for watching.